My name is Soham Sankpal and here are my teammates Aman, Sood and Aarav Shrivastav. This is a project named Intruder Detector. This is the speaker, this is the PIA sensor, this is Raspberry Pi 4, this is the PIA camera. Through this project, it will send an instant message to the owner if there's any breakthrough. Now, Aman will tell us about the overview.
So this is the PIR sensor. What it does is it detects infrared radiation coming from its objects. So to activate a PIR sensor, two things must happen. First, it should sense motion. Second, it should sense infrared radiation coming out from its objects. So let's say if a person walks in this room, it will emit infrared radiations from his body and it will be in motion. So the PIR sensor will be activated and it will send an output to the Raspberry Pi. Once this happens, the Raspberry Pi uses Python to do facial recognition on the human. And if its face is in the database, it does nothing. That means the person is the owner. But let's say if the person is not in the database, then the Raspberry Pi will actually send an email to the owner and also record a recording of the intruder doing his thing.
Now let me explain the code. First we import a few libraries. Then here is a function to send an email to the user. Then we have a few credentials. Later we initialize the Pi camera. After that we save the encodings of the owner. And then we check for motion. If motion is detected, then we go and detect faces. In the faces, we save the encodings of the faces and compare those with the owner. If the face has been recognized, then we do nothing. Otherwise, we send an email to the user. We also play a voice message from the speaker, and we start a recording.
So I will show you a demo now. In this program right now, I have been registered as the owner. That means the facial recognition model recognizes me, but it does not recognize my friends. So if I run the program right now, and one thing to note in the program is the PIR sensor takes some time to initialize. This time is about some 10 seconds, so we will give it that time. As you can see, the PIR sensor has been initialized. Now if I do some motion, it recognizes me and says greetings owner. Now if my friend comes,
warning, intruder in the house. Warning, intruder in the house.
so let's check out the recording that it took. This is the recording, and as you can see, this is my friend Aarav. So this right now he is not doing any motion, but in reality when the burglar comes and let's say steals your precious items, it will record that too. To also send the email to my email account. This was the email.
Thank you.